Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use the free online tool called Canva to create a graphic and share it with others. Now that you have created your free account and chosen the size of the graphic you would like to create, first go to the top to name your new document. When you click out of it, it saves automatically. Canva has many templates that you can choose from to get a quick start, but we are going to create this graphic from scratch, so we're going to search through the elements first. Let's say that we have an event coming up that is a webinar about how to create a graphic using Canva. Let's create an announcement for our website about the webinar. Canva has many elements to choose from, including photographs, shapes, and even icons. If we type the word computer in the search bar, you can either have it search all of the different elements, only photographs, or only graphics. I'd like to use a photograph in the background of this announcement, so I'll click on Photos. Let's choose this one. It's already grayscale, like I would like to have, so now I just want to make it a little more transparent. In the top right, in the options, choose Transparency and click on the slider or slide the slider to choose what level of transparency you would like. I'm going to turn the image so it's a little offset and makes it a little more interesting. Now I would like to have a background color also, so I will choose background, and you can either have solid colors, gradient colors, a solid color with a simple pattern, or Canva also offers photos. I just want a solid color in the background, and I'd like to keep it kind of neutral. The brand colors you see here are the ones we have chosen for our chapter. So let's choose gray, and you'll notice that it turns the background behind the picture a nice neutral gray. Now let's add some text about our webinar. Again, Canva has many templates you can use, but let's do our own. So first we're going to announce what it is, and we're going to make it rather large. I like the font, so I'll just make it very big and bold, and then we have to manipulate the text a little, stretch it out, and Canva has wonderful guidelines that can help you center it and line it up. I would also like it to be bold. And let's go ahead and choose blue for this text. Now let's add the title of our webinar. Let's stretch it out, make it larger. Let's make it even larger. Stretch it out. Line it up, the center of the previous text and the center of the image. Let's make it bold. And let's choose red for this text. Now we would also like to know the name of our presenter. And again, manipulate the text. And we'll choose blue for this one as well. Now let's add the date and time of the webinar. Okay, now we have all of the information that we need for the announcement to go on our website. We have alignment, we have everything balanced, and we have contrast with our colors. Canva automatically saves all of your work, but you do still need to share it with your team members or download it for yourself. In the top right corner, if you click the drop-down menu, you can choose to download or publish it in various social media outlets. I like to download. You can choose your file type, and then when you click download, it downloads it to your computer. After it's downloaded to your computer, you can save it and share it with your team members in whatever outlet you would like. Now you have all of the information you need to create your own graphic using Canva.